next task at hand is to get that right here out. I don't know if you can see it right there. Got a new dipstick for it. Previous owner had broke that pull tab off, as you can see there. Let's get that one out and get the new one in. Trying to get all this junk cleaned off of here. So I'm gonna go to put the new one in. Don't get it down in the fill hole. Should be able just to pop this thing up with a screwdriver. Looks like it's got it. Looks like there's still a bunch of crap around the opening there. Let's see if I can get that cleaned off of there. Yeah. There we go. Kind of hard to get that angle right. Here is the new part. New O-ring and new dipstick. See if I get this thing open. Lay that O-ring on the seat. In case anybody needs it. Got that sign right there. There's the part number for the dipstick. That one's made in Japan. Don't ask me. I got the new O-ring on. See if we can get her down in there, and bam, we are done. New dipstick in place. This is on a Kubota BX 2370, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that in the beginning of the video. I think I'll put that one up. Seems like this dipstick was 20 something bucks, believe that or not. And that O-ring was like $1 and something. And that throttle lever, $7 and some change. And I bought an oil filter, seems like it was $13 and some change. That's that. Got that fixed. On to the next project.